Hello and welcome to this segment of Tuesday Seeds. Today, Uriah Israel will be sharing with us some of the benefits of using heirloom open pollinator seeds versus some of the commonly used hybrid seeds. So please stay tuned.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Got a beautiful day out here and decided to make another video about seeds. And I want to talk about hybrids versus open pollinated. And so hybrids are basically the offspring of two strains from the same type of plant to get a desired feature or trait. It could be disease resistance, it could be cold hardy, strong against cold elements. But what you want to do, I would suggest using open pollinated seeds, open pollinated or pollinated by natural means, the birds, the bees, the wind. And every year you get the same exact plant type. The plant looks exactly like its parents did. But with hybrid seeds, you are gambling. You don't know what you're going to get. You cannot guarantee that the plant that comes up from a hybrid seed will be the same like its parents. Also, if you are growing something that comes from hybrid plants, in order to have that same type of product or same type of plant over and over, you will have to buy more hybrid plants and more hybrid seeds. So like when you go to a big box store, you notice that the big box stores have plants by a company called Bonnie. They're in Home Depot, they're in Lowe's, they're in Walmart, and sometimes they have what they call a hybrid. You need to be very aware of that because if you're collecting seeds from these plants, it will not produce the same offspring as the mother or the parent plants. So get in the habit of buying open pollinated seeds. Look for heirloom plants, look for heirloom seeds, and that will save you a lot of time, money, and you'll have a good result. Don't forget that this is Uriah Israel. Have a good day, and I love you. All right now.